Have you ever felt heartbroken after a breakup? Here are 10 recommendations on how to make him regret losing you. Recommendation number 1. Work on yourself. This entails making time to concentrate on your own requirements and personal development. Choose the areas of your life that you wish to enhance first. It could be anything from your emotional or physical well-being. Then, take the necessary steps to realize those objectives. You may find your passions again and reclaim your joy in life by doing the things you love. Remember that developing yourself also helps you attract the ideal individuals into your life. Invest in yourself, and you'll see positive improvements emerge. Recommendation number 2. Improve your style. How you appear to others, especially your ex, can have a significant impact. You may show him what he's missing out on and increase your own confidence by refining your style. Then, spend money on some new items that give you a sense of beauty and confidence. Pay attention to your grooming practices as well. It's about being comfortable and attractive in your own skin. When you are confident in yourself, it comes across and other people will notice. Spend some time focusing on your personal style and investing in yourself. You deserve to feel and look your best, and you never know. Your ex might end up regretting parting with such a beautiful and self-assured woman. Recommendation number 3. Go out and have fun. Make plans for a night out with your buddies by giving them a call. Your mental health can benefit greatly from anything that puts you outside and in the company of those you care about. This is your time to investigate and figure out what brings you joy. And who knows, you might meet someone new who will value you for the incredible person that you are. Remember that going out and having fun is not about attempting to make your ex jealous. It's about regaining your own happiness and proving to yourself that you can enjoy yourself without him. Get out there and enjoy life. You merit it. Who knows, maybe your ex may regret letting you leave after seeing how much fun you're having. Recommendation number 4. Post on social media. Social networking can be an effective tool for demonstrating to your ex what he's been missing. You can show that you've moved on and are enjoying your best life without him by sharing photos and updates about your life. It may come out as desperate or trying too hard to make your ex jealous. If you post too many images of yourself or are always boasting about how wonderful your life is, provide genuine and uplifting stuff instead. Upload images of your experiences and accomplishments, and don't be shy about showcasing your incredible personality. Thus, utilize social media responsibly and honestly. Recommendation number 5. Date other people. Dating other people is one of the best methods to demonstrate to your ex what he is missing out on. This doesn't imply you have to enter into a committed relationship straight soon. Be willing to explore new things and keep an open mind. But keep in mind that dating isn't simply about making your ex jealous. Finding someone who shares your values and interests and actually makes you happy is important. It's also acceptable if you're not yet ready to date. Spend the time you require on yourself and your recovery. Remember that dating is only one step in your journey to recovery and true happiness. Recommendation number 6. Don't beg for his attention. Begging for your ex's love or attention after a split is one of the worst mistakes you can do. He can become even more distant if he perceives this as being desperate. Set boundaries and prioritize your personal well-being. This can entail restricting your interactions with your ex or ceasing all communication with him temporarily. Remember that concentrating on your own development and evolving into the finest version of yourself is the best method to attract your ex's attention. Don't therefore grovel for your ex's attention. Instead, put your attention on yourself and demonstrate to him what he is missing. Who knows, he might end up regretting losing such a wonderful and self-assured woman. Recommendation number 7. Show him you're happy without him. One of the most effective methods to make your ex regret leaving you is to show him that you're happy and thriving without him. Spend your time and energy on great connections and situations, rather than wasting it on unhelpful people who bring out the best in you. Share on social media about your accomplishments and pleasure. But don't go overboard or give the impression that you're trying too hard to make him envious. Remember that living well is the best kind of retaliation. When you're content and fulfilled in your own life, others will be drawn to you, including your ex. So live your best life and be honestly you to show him what he's missing. Who knows, he might end up regretting losing such a wonderful and self-assured woman. Recommendation number 8. Be the bigger person. Act like a grown-up and choose the honorable course. This entails showing your ex warmth and respect even if he doesn't deserve it. Release whatever hatred or resentment you may be harboring and concentrate on your own healing process. Although it may be challenging, doing this is necessary for your personal well-being. Understand that forgiving your ex does not mean forgetting what he did or dismissing his actions. It's about releasing the weight of unfavorable feelings and moving on with your life. Being the bigger person will demonstrate to your ex that you are a resilient individual who won't be damaged by his behavior. Who knows, he might end up regretting having lost such a wise and caring woman. Choose the high road instead and concentrate on your own development and restoration. Being the bigger person demonstrates to yourself and others that you are capable of great things. And you deserve to be happy and fulfilled. Recommendation number 9. Let karma do its thing. This entails having faith in the cosmos to bring justice and balance, even if you are unable to see it right away. Focus on your own healing process and have faith that everything will turn out for the best, rather than seeking retribution or attempting to influence the result. Let any bad feelings or attachments you might have toward your ex, and concentrate instead on building a successful and fulfilling future for yourself. Who knows, perhaps karma will turn around and your ex will regret losing such a remarkable and motivating woman. So believe in the force of karma and concentrate on your own development and happiness. You are deserving of nothing less than the best. Recommendation number 10. Live your best life. Living your best life is ultimately the best approach to make your ex regret losing you. This entails putting your personal development and happiness first, and doing everything in your power to forge a promising and fruitful future for yourself. Be in the company of upbeat, encouraging people who will bring out the best in you. Let go of any attachment or unfavorable feelings you might have toward your ex, and concentrate on building a full and meaningful life for yourself. Thus, don't waste your time and effort attempting to make your ex regret leaving you. Instead, concentrate on your own development and enjoyment, and have faith that everything else will work itself out. When you're content and fulfilled in your own life, others will be drawn to you, including your ex. Remember, you deserve to be happy and loved. By following these tips, you'll not only make him regret losing you, but you'll also find yourself in a happier and healthier place. Be sure to check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.